गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। Dear soulmates, in my previous video in which I explained how to do Nam Japa. So I explained various methods of Nam Japa, like beginning from Bakhri Vani, then Upanshu, and then Mansik Japa. So those spiritual seekers who have not watched that previous video, first watch that video, then this is part 2. So first go through with part 1. In this video I will explain you how to control mind. So controlling a wandering mind is very difficult, but your mantra, your name, Naam, can do this miracle. Velocity of a sea can be stopped. Flow of a sea can be stopped, but the powerful wandering mind cannot be stopped easily. So question is how to control wandering mind, powerful wandering mind. So what you have to do is a very simple. You have to repeat your name always. 24 hours you have to repeat your name. So it will go into your subconscious mind. You will not know that your mantra is going in your subconscious mind, but every mantra goes in subconscious mind and pure it, because your subconscious mind is filled with so many things from the last so many births. So it will take time, but your mantra definitely will do it. From the last so many births, our subconscious is not pure, but your mantra will pure it. So you have to repeat your mantra. It will go in your subconscious mind and pure it. Now question arises, what we will do when our mind wanders. So when you recite your mantra or name, Naam, your mind should be focused on the sound of the mantra. You have to listen the sound. your mind when wanders, you repeat your mantra, and should be your awareness should be listening to the sound of that mantra. Like I will explain you in easy way. Like when you are driving your car, you are talking on your mobile cell phone, but still you are driving correctly. Like a mother is doing some homework at the rooftop or in balcony, and the child is playing. So the mother is doing homework also, and the awareness is on the child's only, where the child is moving. So that is awareness. So your duty is to repeat the mantra and listen its sounds only. I mean to say, your awareness must be on the listening of the sound only. So after few years, your awareness will be developed, and you will reach in super consciousness position at that time. I am telling you one story of a saint in Vrindavan. That saint gave one mantra to his disciple to repeat that mantra, so that disciple started naam jap of that mantra very seriously. So after so many years, he practiced that repeating that mantra, but he thought that he is not getting anything from that Nam Simran Nam Japa. So he went back to that saint and told him that Maharaj ji, by this Nam Jap, I am not getting anything. So what is the use to repeat this mantra? Saint smiled and told to that disciple, okay, if you are not getting anything from this mantra, so I obey you that leave that mantra, give up repeating that mantra. As he told, as he obeyed not to repeat that mantra, if that mantra is not giving anything to you, suddenly that disciple started crying, tearing, full of tears. His eyes was full of tears, and he told महाराज जी, ये काम मुझसे ना हो सके। आई कैन नॉट डू दिस थिंग, आई कैन नॉट लीव नाउ, आई कैन नॉट लीव दिस mantra now. Then he fell down in the feet of his Guruji, that Maharaj ji sent, please don't tell me not to repeat the mantra, because I cannot live with this mantra. Without this mantra, I cannot live 1 second. And he was full of tears. So the saint told, अरे पगले, तू कह रहो कि कछु ना मिलो, सब कुछ तो ही मिल गो। ओ made person, you are telling nothing you got, but you achieved everything. And he took his disciple in the arm. It is a real story. So just recite your Naam Jap. It will give you everything, and it will automatically take you wherever you want to go. Namah Shivaya.